Light travels at 186,281 miles per second. In a ship having light speed capabilities, Einstein stated that we can never reach light speed because of inertial mass gain. That's pressure put on the ship due to pressure in space. Yet without those constraints, no mass increase a ship having light speed capacity, and that put in the math of acceleration 2-to-1 ratio mobility physics. It takes 2 pounds of energy to push a 1 pound if mass on Earth. In space, light speed is doubled. It's simple math. You can't move a 1 pound mass with 1 pound push energy. It don't work. So if you ask me, and this is Earth physics, an engine using this common ratio will travel twice light speed in zero space vacuum. The engines we made are calibrated in this ratio. So if you ask me, a mass object like a ship and not made of light, measuring light speed, we are already condoned to traveling twice the speed of light, and that's a fact.
Classical physics is a 100-year past merger of scientific explainer data. Its unproven claims stand even today without any new physics framework. So what does that tell us? It tells us nothing new has risen. So here the latest new data about gravity, the mechanical reality. If the universe is fundamentally a discrete grid of nodes, then flat space surface models are just an illusion of scale. The same way a digital image looks perfectly smooth until you zoom in and see the square pixels. When space is quantized, gravity stops being an abstract, hilly landscape of bent nothingness and instead becomes a dynamic mechanical expression of energy interacting with the physical infrastructure. Thus, us for space enthusiasts. Did you know that according to relativity theory, Albert Einstein, nothing can travel faster than light without putting a mark on it? Research entails that Earth attraction model of inertia, slow dragging, energy limits, and even just air makes light speed untouchable. But did you know that taking those limits off of space field expanse gravity, that of outer space which relativity theory places on in space equal to Earth's gravity, that a ship trying to engage faster than light speed mechanics in space, that if the spacecraft had faster than light abilities, meaning it can travel the Einstein limit in empty space, that ship would discover it can travel twice light speed in space. Light speed without Einstein's Earth mechanics would actually travel 372,000 miles a second, showing that on flat space zero-point ratio expanse, having no inertia mechanic limits like relativity theory places on it would make this journey possible. And all that is backed up by research. Hope you liked my video. I mean, why does a plane free fall to the Earth's ground surface and near crash because of gravity, but in space a ship will just sit there when at rest?
What's inertia? When in space traveling at high velocity, your ship experiences inertia. That's optical vacuum space dragging. Because you're traveling with the fabric of space, your ship fighting against the space vacuum void, which relativity theory pertains, is a fabric material of space or a volume. That pressure only allows you to travel half your speed. In his equivalence principle, your ship gains mass. It's like a car of the road. Let go if the gas pedal and your car slowly comes to a stop. In space, Einstein asserts the same reasoning, but in SOS, your ship needs to reverse forward thrusters to slow down from its velocity. It doesn't slowly come to a stop like your gas-driven car. So reverse thrusters are needed, or you just keep traveling and traveling through the dark void. Do you think Einstein is right about inertia, or do you think us wrong? Your choice. These facts are supported by the Quanta Physics Theory Interpretation by Rodney Kowecki, January 2026.